Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Oh no! Oh no. Oh no. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. Well, you like when I dye my hair and so do I. Let's keep this train going. I have a confession to make. This has been me testing the waters to do cosplay content on the channel, and it seems to be very well received, so what kind of cosplay would you like me to do? But for now, I ordered these because, as we all know, at the end of these videos, I just want to turn into a fantasy creature. If you're a nerd like me, then you know that today is Black Fae Day. Hello. Editing Danielle here. In honor of Black Fae Day 2021, I'd like to offer this discount code on all of my merchandise on the StarPuppy Boutique store. Linked in the description box. Okay, bye! I ordered some elf ears. I'll link the Etsy shop below. So in the past ones, I've been using that wax, and the wax makes my hair shrink, but now I have a spray. This is the High Beams Intense Temporary Spray on Hair Color by Salon Graphics. I'll link it below. Depending on what happens, you can go ahead and buy that if you want to. I figured I would do a big fluffy hairstyle because now my hair won't shrink, probably, maybe. So let's review. For the pink, we did like this layer over black. For the white, we did a top layer over black. What if we did a dumb anime streak here and a dumb anime streak here? If I do like a this, which part do I want to be blue? Enough talk! Send your prayers to 1-800-StarPuppy. Like and subscribe. Ooh. Okay. Hello? Betrayal. What the heckin' heck? Hey! Wait a minute now. Wait, what did I do different? Well, that looks as accidental as possible. What in tiggity tarnation? This is war. Oh, baby. I should probably definitely not inhale this. Oh no! I'm blue, tapu-tee, tapu-tie, tapu-tee, tapu-tie. I'm blue, tapu-tee, tapu-tie, tapu-tee, tapu-tie. I'm blue, tapu-tee, tapu-tie, tapu. As I continue to spray, the bottle is getting colder. I'm sure that's fine. Well, kids, we're out of blue. Out of blue, double-dee, double-die. I got the sunshine crazies. Summer is coming. I could feel it in my winter heart. So, I wish it was less patchy. We all do. But it's not. Focus in, Bill. Look at that coverage. Wow, it is patchy latchy for fatchy. But because the client has dark hair, it's less horrendous than it could be. This line of demarcation fills me with existential dread. Fun summer looks. Existential dread. Oh. We might be able to save it. One chaotic burst at a time. So, I'm looking here. How can I save this? Oh, I should cosplay another elf? Okay, if you insist. Don't twist my arm. You know? Yeah, we gonna do some cosplay stuff. So you mean to tell me that I dyed 18 strands of my hair blue and this is what ensued? Okay. Interesting. Clearly, this is something worth exploring. I'd be interested to see how all of these characters would interact. Anyway, for all my artists watching, you know what to do. Follow me on Instagram and tag me in any artistic renderings of this character. What do you... Just do me one favor though. You see this little biscuit? This little tornado of hair I have? Can you just make it all blue? I would have made it all blue myself if I hadn't run out of paint there. Those on Instagram who have been making such beautiful art of me, oh, I appreciate it so much. Look at these beautiful works. Please follow if you're not already. I really appreciate the fan art. I'm so honored that I get fan art. Are you kidding me? This is the dream. Yes. So if you'd like to interpret this character, I would love that. And if you're not an artist, or even if you are, in the comments, name this character and give me the backstory. What genre are we in? What are her hopes, her dreams, her pet peeves, motivations? You know what? What's her name? Also, these ears are everything. They fit over my piercings, all of them, which is incredible. I'm gonna link it below. I believe it's Elven Caravan on Etsy. Cat Black actually sent me the link and I was like, girl, thank you, girl. It sure is hard to find high quality brown elf ears. And look, they long too. You know what? Enough of this. What should I cosplay? We all know. We're all thinking it. Danielle, you weeb. You caught me. It's me. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Cosplay content. If you want to see the behind the scenes of this video, there is a place where those are, but I'm not quite ready to tell you where they are. So just stay tuned. As always, thank you so much for watching, and it really brings happiness into my spirit knowing that this is my job. Do you know how lucky I am? And you're a huge part of that, so I'd like to thank you. Thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment. And I'll see you later. This has been me, Danielle, very clearly your resident weirdo. StarPuppy signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.